cheesy veggie bites. Let's see how to make the cheesy veggie bites. Take 2 potatoes, boiled and mashed. For the vegetables, let's take capsicum, cabbage, red onion, carrot, radish and some spring onion. I'll add everything one by one. The quantities have been mentioned in the description. Next goes in some masalas. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon garam masala, some salt, some chaat masala and some pepper powder. One teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and some coriander. Mix all the ingredients together. Use a spoon, or best is get in your hands there. Also, I'll add some breadcrumbs to this mixture for better binding and good texture. About 1 tablespoon of breadcrumbs. Give it all a mix. As I said, get your hands in. It helps in better mixing. Once the batter is done, I'll take some of it aside and add some cheese, grated cheese to it. Mix it with the cheese. Then make smaller sized balls and add it and keep it in the breadcrumbs. Approximately even size balls. Then I'll coat them with the breadcrumbs. These are very fine breadcrumbs, almost like a flour. You can use bigger particles too. Once everything is coated well, let's fry it, deep fry it in a pan. Keep turning them around. Takes about 4 to 5 minutes to become golden brown, but keep turning and see that you fry them evenly on all sides. Once done, take them out on a tissue paper to absorb excess oil and serve them hot with some ketchup. It makes a lovely snack. You have potato, vegetables and cheese all together in it, so it becomes pretty filling too, and yum. It's really awesome. Do try it and have a good day.